In this video, we will discuss about properties of materials. We have different types of properties of materials like appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, float or sink, and transparency. So let's discuss about float, or you can say sink. You might have noticed that the insoluble solids separated out from water. Some materials that do not mix with water floated to the surface of water. Others may have sunk to the bottom of a beaker or glass. Let's take some examples. Dried leaves fallen on the surface of a pond, a stone that you throw into a pond, few drops of honey that you let fall into a glass of water. You will find all these materials would be float on the surface of water. The objective of this video was to know about float and sink.